DirectFix.com presents
the iPhone 5C Battery Replacement Guide. Fix your broken iPhone 5 with parts and service from DirectFix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at DirectFix.com.
Warning: this content is intended to be used for informational and entertainment purposes only. You are using this video directions and its content at your own risk. X Microsolution Inc. makes no representation, warranties, or conditions of any kind expressed or implied. Following these directions on the video will void your warranty. You are performing this repair at your own risk.
Begin by completely powering off your device. Using a pentalobe screwdriver, remove 2 pentalobe screws from the bottom of your phone. Place a small suction cup near the bottom of the phone and begin to pull the screen up. Remove 4 screws holding down the shield covering the screen assembly connectors. Remove the screen assembly. Remove 2 small Phillips screws holding down a shield that's covering the battery and charge port connectors. Disconnect the battery from the motherboard, and using a case opener tool or similar tool, remove the battery from the frame. There is a lot of adhesive holding down the battery, so be careful not to puncture or damage the battery during the removal process. You can now place your replacement battery into the phone and connect to the motherboard. Place the small shield over the battery and charge port connectors and secure with 2 screws. You can now connect the screen assembly to the motherboard, cover with a shield, and secure that with 4 screws. Close the screen. And finally, place 2 small pentalobe screws into the bottom of the phone. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to DirectFix.com now.